Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I want to share this recipe with you. It's one that I'm kind of making up as I go, but I'm going to start. This is going to be a crock pot recipe. I'm sure you can do it in Instapot, but I'm going to use my crock pot. I have sprayed the inside of my crock pot with a little bit of cooking spray, and I've washed my cabbage, and I am going to slice this as thinly as possible, and I'm going to put it in the bottom of this. Let me get that last one off of there. Put it in the trash bowl. There we go. I'm going to slice this as thinly as possible. That core just doesn't want to let go, so I'll do it like this. Anyway, I'm going to do this with some kielbasa sausage. I'm going to use some apple juice, some onion, and I'm going to put in some pasta. So, I think this will be really good for a crock pot potluck that we're having tonight with some friends. So let me try to slice this without cutting myself, and I'm gonna actually tilt that down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so 1 head of cabbage going into the crock pot. I don't think it matters how we cut this, to be honest with you, because it's going to cook down. But I think the combination of that and the onion and the kielbasa and the apple juice and some seasonings, I think will be really tasty. I'm going to go ahead and add my onion in as well. I sauteed a whole onion in a little bit of bacon drippings. Add that in. Cut up the last bit of this cabbage. Now, excuse me. All right. Let me set this to the side. Now, into this cabbage for my liquid, I'm going to use apple juice. And I happen to have these little bitty boxes in my cupboard, my pantry, which are 4 ounces each, so 8 ounces of apple juice. And you could use chicken broth, I'm sure. I think the apple juice will give it a little bit of sweetness. Apple cider vinegar might be good in this if you don't have apple juice. Okay. All right. Now, for my spices, I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. Just a pinch of each. I'm going to add just a shake to your taste of brown cayenne pepper. Okay, not too much. I'm going to now cut my, I have turkey kielbasa, and that's what I'm going to use. Get this out of the way. Pull this over. I am simply going to chunk that up as well. Lastly, I'm going to grab my pasta. I had a whole wheat penne pasta, but it doesn't matter. Whatever pasta you have or like. Let me pour this off. And I only boil this for literally on high for 5 minutes because I know the pasta will continue to cook in this dish in the crock pot. And so I did not want it to be mushy. So I just literally cooked it on high for 5 minutes. A little bit of salt in the water. And I'm about to run out of room. Okay, now let me grab, I'm going to push this down because part of this is just cabbage being big right now. Okay, and I'm going to cover that. I'm going to cook it on high for 4 hours in my crock pot. I will post a picture underneath this vlog and show y'all what that looks like. I'll probably stir it at 4 hours and make sure it's done, and then I'll just cut it back to warm. But that's how I'm doing just a little kielbasa, cabbage, and pasta dish in my crock pot. Give it a try. I think it's going to be amazing. See ya.